how to make money on Upwork as a social media analytics expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer, and then you'll proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. And after that, click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password. Then click on login. And after that, you'll proceed to creating your profile. And this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first steps. So here, let's go back. And this is the first step. So here, let's get started. And here you have a question and you have 3 answers. Make sure to choose the answer that fits your situation. First, have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits you. Then click on next to proceed to the next question, which is what's your biggest goal for freelancing? And here you have again 4 answers. Choose the one that fits you and then click on next to proceed to the next question. How would you like to work? And here I advise you to choose all of these answers. They're all helpful. After that, click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options in order to create your profile. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a file on your desktop, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So let's choose the third one, and here start a new profile. Enter your skill, which is a social media analytics expert. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, add your work experience. After that, you proceed to add in your education experience, your education history, sorry. And then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So here we have English, and you choose your level in English in here. I'm going to go with conversational. After that, you can add other languages if you can speak them. So I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is Arabic, which is my native language. And the third is French, which is a language that I have studied in school. So here, native and basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here, as you can see, the maximum is 15 skills. So make sure to choose all of these spots wisely. So I'm going to choose these suggested skills: media analytics, social media website, social media management, analytics, and expert. And then click on next to write an overview. So here, this is write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type, I'm a social media analytics expert, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information to it to make it customized, and then copy and paste all of that in here. After that, before I'm going to click on choose your categories, I can't proceed with this field empty. So I'm going to take Marty's bio, enter it in here, then click on next to choose your categories. So here, what are the main services you offer? You can select from these categories, or you can just go with digital marketing. So I'm going to choose digital marketing, then click on next to set your rate. So here, enter your hourly rate. I'm going to go with $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here, make sure to add the information about your location. And for uploading your photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you the strategy that I follow personally in order to improve my profile to attract as many clients as possible. So the strategy is basically searching for my competitors and finding the highest earner amongst them and finding out why is he the highest earner, what is he doing differently in his profile than the others, why he gets picked more often than the others to do the job. So I'm going to enter my skill and click on search. Here I'm going to enter my skill, search, and here I'm going to look for the highest earner in this category. So here we have this one who earned more than $300,000. Let's see if I can top rated plus, top rated, rising talent, freelancers, agencies, hourly rate, job success, earned amount. Let's go with earned more than $10,000, 10 grand. So here we have this one who earned more than $300,000. So let's look for someone who earned more than him. So this one earned $1 million, more than $1 million, and he gets paid $95 per hour. Let's check the second page if you can find someone who earned more than $1 million. I think that's our highest earner. So he's indeed the highest earner in here. Let's check the fourth page just to be sure. So he's the highest earner. So guys, you'll just need to implement the strategy that I talked about on him. Spy on his profile, see what is he doing differently, and try to implement that to your profile. And in order to find more work in this platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and in this search box enter your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you offer, and you can then apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.